Finally, it was time to pick up our Airstream, but before that we had to build a driveway in our garden. In addition, Sue and I still had to do the driving license so that we can pull heavy trailers up to 3.5 tons. When we had done this all, we picked up the Airstream. Today we pick up the Airstream and we're now in Upper Austria, here in Ried im Innkreis. Today we will see it for the first time. Everyone was extremely excited when we saw the Airstream for the first time. Now we have picked him up, our Airstream, and we are on the highway. It's quite good to go with it. And it's big. Yes, because the ramp didn't work for the Airstream, for the entrance, to go inside our garden. We decided to build another object. It's now in one layer with the street, so it's more easy to go inside. And I'm still working on it. But tomorrow the concrete is coming and then it will be finished. Then we can go inside here with the Airstream. So we have more garden. We don't have to use this as a parking place. Yeah, step by step. As you can see in the background, our Airstream is now in the garden. And now I want to show you our baby. Yeah, this is not finished. I will make some stairs. Let's go inside. Now I will make a room tour for you. This is my mover, which I have used to go inside because the streets here in Austria are much more narrow than in the United States, so I can't go in with the Airstream with the car. That's why I bought this little machine. Here's a lot of work to do. I will start with the windows. These little things here I have to renew, it's not working. Then I will give away all the walls, the aluminium walls. We will clean it and paint it white. I also will do the isolation. The wheel housing, I have to replace it because there are a lot of holes and it's just plastic. I will try to renovate as much as possible. Yeah, and this will be my work for the next month. So join my renovation journey.
Right now we are doing a protection for our Airstream because we're gonna drive to Sicily today, and the weather protection said that we probably gonna get hail in Austria. So my dad is really scared now that the Airstream is gonna break or something and has those little, you know, ditches or something. So we're gonna do a protection right now, and it's super hot outside, and he is laying under here right now and putting it on. So this is the protection.
Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream renovation adventure during the next month, and see you soon here again on pinkrambutan.com.